Hi, this is Sarah with Index Data, and this is how to look up a patron in FOLIO. So in FOLIO, both staff records and patron records are held in the Users app. So we're going to start by going to the Users app. And once we're in the Users app, we're going to have a couple of different options to search. We can search by the fields keyword, barcode, last name, or username. And then we can also facet based on their status, their patron group, or tags if your institution uses them. Like other apps in FOLIO, you don't actually have to enter a search term in order to use the facets. If you select active, for example, you'll bring up all active patrons. We're going to do our search by name, so we'll enter a last name, and then we'll go over and we'll click on the user's record. This brings up the details of the user's record. In addition to the basic information included under user information on the user's record, there are a number of accordions that may appear depending on your privileges. These include patron blocks, where you can view details about blocks on a patron's account or add a block, extended information, which includes several important fields as well as the patron's request preferences and default pickup service point, contact information, which includes their email address, as well as any additional addresses that they may have provided, any custom fields that may have been configured by your institution, whether or not this patron is a proxy for anyone or anyone is a proxy for this patron, any current or past fines or fees on this patron's account, all current loans and any non-anonymized closed loans, all current and past requests on this user's account. User permissions and service points are only for staff users, but the last field is any notes that have been added to this account. Now, there are a number of actions that you can take on a user's account from the Users app. These include creating a request, creating a fine or fee, creating a block, editing the record, and checking for any open transactions so that you can delete the record. Likewise, there are a number of actions that you can take from the user's search result button. Those include creating a new user and generating a number of reports that are used when managing users, loans, and fines and fees. And that is a very basic introduction to users.